Dahil sa inflation, nagbabadya na naman ang recession and a lot of people are now nagtitipid just to make ends meet. Here's another tip on how to survive this economic pandemic. At para sa mga nabubuhay lang sa pagdidiskarte, this is definitely para sa inyo. Stock yourself up with the following. Condiments like fish sauce or patis, suka, and salt. Get it from your local market or talipapa. If possible at may pera ka, then mag-stock ka nito ng maramihan. It has a long shelf life and makakapagluto ka ng iba-ibang ways using these condiments. Eggs. As long as nasa fridge ang eggs, it stays long. Make sure to stock na pangmatagalan. Napakaraming ways na makakapagluto kayo using eggs or itlog. Just be creative and you are definitely good to go. Potatoes and tomatoes. Ito ay yung ilan lamang sa mga hindi masyadong naapektuhan ng inflation o hindi tumaas ang presyo. And magandang extender ito sa mga meat and poultry products na iluluto ninyo. Canned goods. Although tinamaan sila ng inflation, some canned goods like sardines or corned beef ay importante na mag-stock tayo dahil pag tumaas na naman ang presyo, baka mamaya mayayaman na lang ang makakakain nito. Instant noodles. This is one of the most important thing na dapat mag-stock tayo, especially in bulk. Dahil in the long run, mas makakatipid tayo. Madami pang way to improve the taste ng noodles, and I have something in the end to prove or to improve your noodles. Bagoong, either alamang or ginamos. Bagoong is one of the product na hindi masyadong apektado ng inflation. Especially kung sa market o talipapa ninyo ito bibilihin. Sometimes hahaluan nyo lang ito ng suka or kalamansi, may ulam na kayo. Cooking oil, which is also can be bought sa local market or talipapa. They are selling it sa market na yung naka-plastic and it is more cheaper dahil walang labels, walang bottles or containers na nagdadagdag sa price nito. Flour or harina. You can also buy this sa local market or talipapa. And with flour, pwede kayong makagawa ng maraming bread. Or you can use it to thicken your dish para mas makapal o mas maalsa and madaling makabusog. Medicines. Mas makakamura kayo if you will stock up medicines like for headache, for fever and flu, for stomach meds like antacid, alcohol of course, and wound care. You can add some more depending on what you need. Rice. This is a staple sa Asian diet and stocking up ng bigas is still the best way to survive. Madaming ways to cook with rice like lugaw or fried rice na iba-iba ang flavors. The key is mapadami ninyo ang servings ng rice with the same amount kesa pagkanin lang ito. Just be creative. These are the things that you must have and you will definitely survive the crisis. Hindi pa magiging maayos ang economy right now, so you better not depend on the government. Unless sila mismo ang magkakaroon ng initiative na unahin ng mga Filipinos bago ang bulsa nila. And also, by the way, water purifier. Hindi ito food pero isa sinasama ko na kasi dapat meron kayo nito. Merong mga nabibili na portable water purifier and it is very important na meron kayo nito ngayon. Before it's too late, make sure na makabili kayo para maiwasan na ninyo ang bumili ng bottled water. You can also boil the water if you want to be sure that the water is safe to drink and without contamination. So, ano pang hinihintay ninyo? Go to your suking tindahan na and stock yourself up. Do you have any more suggestions? Put in the comment section below. Let us start a conversation. Don't forget to hit the like, the subscribe, and the notification bell to keep you updated every time I upload new videos. See you next time!
lang.